It is important to understand the correct format of a notice. Welcome to my channel, Wheel of Wisdom. Today, let's master the art of notice writing. A notice is a formal means of communication, designed to inform or alert people about something important. A notice should be formal, brief, clear, and restricted to 50 words. No personal opinions. Don't forget to put it into a box. Let's understand the correct format. Write the name of the institution or issuing authority at the top of the notice. Write the word "notice" in capitals and center it. Then align the date to left. See the example of a complete notice at the end of video. Heading or subject follows the date. Remember to make the heading bold. Put the details of the notice in the body. More about it at the end of video. At the end of notice, signature, name and designation are written. It is mandatory to put the whole notice in a box. In the body, always answer the 5 W's: what, when, where, who, and whom to contact. Have a look at the finished example. I have put the link of PDF in the description. If you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.